Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good and having a great time. Well, today's topic of my video is how to reactivate your Instagram account after it has been deactivated temporarily. So it's fairly a simple topic, but let's proceed to the Instagram app. Okay, after opening the app, before jumping into the topic, it is pertinent to actually shed some light regarding the process of deactivation, so you have a fairly good idea of how to recover or reactivate your account after it has been deactivated. So in the first instance, I am going to give a fair overview of the process of deactivation. So first of all, go to your profile picture. As soon as you check on the profile picture, select the option of three lines or the more. Upon the right top, you select the option of settings. Then you will go to the option of account. Okay, at the end you will find the option of delete account. There you get upon the two options. If you select deactivate account, it is temporary deactivation, and the other one is the permanent deactivation of your account. So we are dealing with the temporary deactivation and the reactivation, so we will select this option of deactivate account. As soon as we select this option, a new window opens. Yeah, it's here. So the question is, there are a few questions which actually we need to answer as well. Why you are deactivating your account? There are many options. Yeah, I'm going to select this one. This is temporary. I will be back. Then is the if you wish to automatically reactivate your account, that's for 1 day, 2 days, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Well, no, I'm going to select the option don't auto reactivate. All right. Okay, let's now enter your password. Okay, yeah, this is your password. Select the option of temporary deactivate. Hit the option of yes. Yeah, it's deactivated. Yeah, the other one account has been deactivated. So actually, if you wish now to reactivate that account, let it finish. Yeah, this is actually the other one account. Now you actually tap this option of your profile picture, and here comes the new option, add account. Okay, log into your existing account. Yeah, we enter your and the details, your password here of that account. So all right, so this is after you have deactivated your account. Okay, after deactivation of your account, you will actually again log in to that deactivated account when you put all the details and hit the option of login. Yeah, that's back. Now it's again asking for you to save the password, because the account was already deactivated and all the things had been already deleted. So it's, yeah, hit the option of save, and this is your account. Your account is now back. You can use this account and all that. Hope you have liked my video. If you did like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will be back making more videos which gonna help you. All right, thank you very much. Bye bye.